Hey, if you're a seller and you haven't been able to sell a home and have buyers looking but haven't been able to get an offer yet, here's how you play the reverse Uno card to get an offer on your house. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but working with an agent that understands the market is going to be critical to getting your property sold.
Wow!
Now, if you've had buyers looking at a property just like yours and you haven't been able to get an offer yet, you can actually write what's called a reverse offer. That's an offer that you write as a seller and present it to the buyer. Now, I know this sounds crazy, but hear me out. Take the bull by the horns and be proactive. Get that ball going and get that negotiation going with the seller. You can write the offer as the seller, sign off on it, and present it to the buyer. Especially if you're contemplating a price reduction, why wait? You might actually end up getting more by being proactive and moving things ahead with a buyer that's already interested, but just isn't quite there yet or isn't quite motivated. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like and subscribe button below because we have a ton of other helpful tips and tricks that'll help you get your property sold.